Some changes to the mini bike. I have relocated my headlight bar. So that is nice because it is a lot more stable now. Before it would like to kind of move up and down. A lot more steady. I've rerouted some cables here. So this is throttle cable. There's some holes punched out in the fork here, and the throttle cable fit into one of them very, very nicely. So I ran it through there, and it would make it easier to have this here without the cables running in front of the headlight. So that's all run down here and then up into there. And the cables aren't too tense. This is the starting switch cable there. And then with the brake line, I didn't want rubbing against the fork or the headlight. So what I did is I did many layers of electrical tape. I mean, it's probably not even necessary at all because the cable is very nice and very solid, but just as a peace of mind measure, that's why I did it. So and I made sure to make it plenty long, but there's the cable management. It's not perfect, but it does look really nice in my opinion. And then I've been riding it around. Let's flip around here because there's something new. There's two new things. So three, I should say. Here's the switch now. So this is actually off here on the top and then on the bottom. And I reversed it for a reason. It's to fool people that don't know how to ride a bike. So it's basically would take a little longer for them to want to take off with it, never to be seen again. I mean, it's not gonna work for everybody, but something to kind of delay them just a little bit to where I can hopefully catch them. So there's my face. I'm covering my face with my phone. So yeah, there's the mirrors. Octagon shape and throttle, still very nice. And then I got the turn signal switch and brake light. So there's my Psych Plus bike computer. Torque converter, Tillotson 212E with stage 1 kit, AR Sport exhaust, AR Sport muffler. And then here is the beauty. My new seat spring kit from GMCH store. I just installed it today. All right, I am a 160 pound male, 6 feet tall. And that's just basically like a test sit down scenario, what would typically happen before I take off. Kickstand here, let's just do normal routine. And then I'm gonna do just a quick start and shut her right off so I don't die of carbon monoxide. Switches right here, choke.
Don't ever turn on your bike in an enclosed space with poor ventilation. So only run your bike outside a building and not even close to a building.
So, I don't know, let's turn the wheel, kind of pretend that we're hitting bumps. Yeah, it's really, really stiff, but it's a lot easier on the spine. I've ridden it around already at night. It's definitely a lot more comfortable. So that's all I can say. You don't feel every tiny little rut and nook and cranny in your spine. It smooths it out quite nicely with this kit. Let's move it back, like we're having reverse, so like forward, back, forward.
This is worth every dang penny, this bike. Oh my gosh. Most fun project I've done in such a long time.